Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll see something new on Beaver Builder. So let's do something different. So so this is our testing page and this is the option for Beaver Builder. So just click on it first. Okay. So once you click on Beaver Builder, you can see okay you can see the Beaver Builder editor has been opened. So first of all, we will remove our previous thing that we have. Now we just add, we'll create something new. Okay, let's okay, first of all we'll add row first. Okay, and once add row, let's see. Mm, okay, we'll use a call out call out things or call, and after that call to action. Okay, so we'll implement call out, how we can use call out and the content using call out. So first drag and drop here. Okay, so once you drag and drop, you can see this is our call out option. You can add your title like this, whatever your title, Ipsum. Okay, you can change your heading tag h3, h4, h2, whatever you need. Okay, so let's see, I just added h2. You can add more text over there, something like this. Okay, loading some is simply dynamic text. Okay, now you can see the style option, can alignment as a middle, the center. Okay, let's do it left. Okay, we'll use an image as well. You can see image type photo icon, can use icon as well, actually photo icon, whatever. So once you click on icon, you can see the another icon option expand, and that is for icon selection. So let's select icon. So once you click on it, you can see there are a lot of icons over there. You can add as per your need. Okay, whatever you need, you just select that icon. Okay, suppose I would like to add this icon. Okay, let's see, it's loading, and now you can see you can change the position. You can see the positions would be left of heading. So this left of heading, you can, if you like to add this icon at top of the heading, you can see the option now, this one above heading. Okay, so I'm just selecting above heading. You can see the icon has been appeared above the heading. Okay, you can see the icon colors. So just whatever the icon color you need, just okay. You can add hover color as well, you can add background color as well. Okay, gradient you can use, and after that you can add a link as well. Okay, so I just done and save the changes. So you can add these things into three parts. You can, so just click on edit column, and then you can see duplicate column. Okay, 1 2 again duplicate column, it's 3. Okay, can add a background color. So you need, in that case you need to select column settings, then scroll down and see background color. Okay, something like this. Okay. Okay, so just copy this background color and we will implement rest of two. Scroll down, background color, pasted. Can see, okay, it's not coming out. Just hold on. Okay, save the changes. And the same things here. Background. Save the changes. Okay, we can add a column padding as well. So padding left 5, also padding left 5. Okay, also margin left. Margin left, and the last one margin left. Okay. Okay. So this design we have done using a call out. Okay. So using call out, you can use multiple design call out. Okay. So this design is came from call out. So whenever you need uh, this kind of design, something like icon, title, and the below text, in that case we can use a call out actions. Okay, so using call out action we can create a multiple design, multiple boxes along with icons, images, title, and the content. Okay, I hope it will help you to create a multiple box uh, with the images, title, and content. So and in that case we'll use a call out actions from Beaver Builder. Thank you.